Want to create stunning 6 by 9-inch books effortlessly? Check out these top templates to take your book design to the next level. Number 5. Dive into 3 versatile book jacket styles, perfect for any project or genre. Easy editing in Google Docs and Word. Print ready for DIY assembly. Coming in at number 4. Get creative control with a full blueprint for professional hardback book jackets. Accurate margins ensure a perfect fit every time. Number 3. Dive into dark aesthetics and thematic design, perfect for thrillers. Enjoy professional typesetting and consistent styling for a cohesive horror experience. Runner-up. Showcase vibrant illustrations with a visual-first layout. Perfect for storytelling with diverse page designs and professional print quality. Fully customizable. And our top pick. Industry standard 6 by 9-inch format with 2 design versions. Perfect folding with a precise spine layout. Ready to upload and save on costs. Don't miss out. Get these amazing templates for free at thegoodox.com. Check the links in the description and start creating your masterpiece today.